Portable charger safety tips, do's and don'ts. Title: Portable charger safety tips, do's and don'ts. Introduction: 100 words. Portable chargers have become an essential accessory for our fast-paced, on-the-go lifestyle. From keeping our smartphones powered up to charging our tablets and other electronic devices, portable chargers provide convenience and peace of mind. However, it is crucial to ensure the safe use of these devices. This article aims to provide a comprehensive set of do's and don'ts to help users optimize either portable charger usage while prioritizing safety. 1. Consider quality and certification, 150 words. When purchasing a portable charger, make sure to choose a reliable and high-quality product from a trusted manufacturer or brand. Look for certifications like UL, SAE, or FCC, as these indicate that the charger has undergone rigorous safety testing. Avoid purchasing counterfeit products online, as they may lack essential safety features and pose a risk of overheating or short-circuiting. 2. Know your device's power requirements, 150 words. Understanding your device's power requirements is crucial to ensure safe and efficient charging. Check your device's user manual or look for the power input specifications on the device itself. Diff. Rent devices have different power needs, and using a charger with an incompatible output power could damage your device or the charger itself. Avoid using chargers with significantly higher or lower power output than what your device requires. 3. Use the original charging cable, 150 words. Whenever possible, use the original charging cable provided with your device. Manufacturers design these cables to be compatible and safe for use with their specific devices. Using uncertified or counterfeit charging cables can lead to poor connectivity, inefficient charging, or even pose safety risks. If you need to replace a charging cable, opt for reputable brands and ensure they are certified D for your particular device. 4. Avoid extreme temperatures, 150 words. Portable chargers, like most electronic devices, should be kept away from extreme temperatures. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight, hot cars, or freezing conditions. Extreme temperatures can lead to battery degradation, reduced charging efficiency, or even cause physical damage to the charger itself. It's best to store your portable charger in a cool and dry place, away from direct heat sour. 5. Charge in a safe environment, 150 words. To ensure safety during charging, always charge your portable charger on a stable, non-flammable surface. Avoid charging it near flammable materials, liquids, or fabrics, as they can increase the risk of fire hazards. Additionally, allow for proper ventilation while charging to prevent any heat buildup that may affect the charger's performance or safety. 6. Don't overcharge or overdischarge, 150 words. While it might be tempting to leave your portable charger plugged in continuously, it is important to avoid overcharging. Overcharging the battery can lead to reduced battery life, heat buildup, or even rupture. Similarly, avoid completely discharging the charger's battery. Lithium-ion batteries, commonly used in portable chargers, prefer a partial charge rather than being fully depleted. 7. Regularly inspect for damages, 150 words. Regularly inspect your portable charger for any signs of physical damage, such as frayed cables, dents, or exposed wiring. Damaged chargers can be hazardous and may pose a risk of electric shock or fire. If you notice any damage, Stop using the charger immediately and replace it with a new one. 8. Don't mix or tangle cables. 150 words. Avoid tangling or twisting charging cables, as this can lead to internal damage or exposed wires. Mixing cables from different chargers can also have adverse effects, such as improper charging, short circuits, or overheating. Keep your charging cables organized and separate them according to their respective chargers to maintain safety and efficiency. 9. Disconnect after charging. 150 words. Once your device is fully charged or your portable charger is out of juice, always remember to unplug it from both the device and the power source. Leaving chargers plugged in unnecessarily can cause standby power, leading to energy wastage and increasing the risk of electrical hazards. 10. Handle with care. 150 words. Lastly, handle your portable charger with care. Avoid dropping or subjecting it to undue stress. Rough handling can damage internal components, compromising its safety and performance. Protect your charger from water and other liquids, as moisture can cause electrical shorts or damage the charging circuitry. 11. Educate children about portable charger safety. 150 words. If you have children in your household, it is essential to educate them about portable charger safety. Teach them that portable chargers are not toys and should not be played with or taken apart. Be sure they understand the importance of using chargers under adult supervision and avoiding any unsafe practices like sticking objects into charger ports. Additionally, emphasize the dangers of charging devices near water sources or in damp environments. 12. Store away from children and pets. 150 words. To prevent accidents, always store your portable charger in a location that is inaccessible to children and pets. Portable chargers contain batteries and other components that can be dangerous if mishandled or swallowed. Keep them out of reach, preferably in a locked drawer or cabinet. If you have young children or curious pets, consider investing in child-proof locks or safety covers for electrical outlets to provide an extra layer of protection. 13. Avoid using damaged chargers. 150 words. In addition to inspecting your portable charger for physical damage, it is essential to avoid using chargers that are not functioning properly. If you experience any issues such as overheating, charging inconsistencies, or strange smells, discontinue use immediately. Using a damaged charger can lead to electrical malfunctions, fire hazards, or even harm to your electronic devices. Instead, replace the faulty charger with a new one from a reputable manufacturer. 14. Be mindful of charging time. 150 words. While portable chargers are convenient for charging devices on the go, it is essential to be mindful of the charging time. Leaving your devices connected to the charger for extended periods can lead to unnecessary power consumption and potential overheating. Once your device reaches a full charge, disconnect it promptly to avoid wasting energy and to preserve the battery's longevity.